The other project that the President activated is the project relating to affordable housing. As you are aware, the Kisii Prison, which sits on, I think, 15 acres, is right in the middle of town, and it was initially designed to hold about 600 prisoners. It currently has 1,400 prisoners, which requires expansion. So we needed to have it moved to the facility or the land that is existing in Nyanturago, that is 600 acres, give them about 50 acres or between 50 and 100 acres, and build a modern prison there, as we also build now the affordable housing in Kisii. Kisii, as a community, and you are all aware, we have no land. And because of that, we are actually candidate number one of the affordable housing. So as much land as we can get available to activate the housing, affordable housing program in Kisii is a welcome move. So we will be doing affordable housing where the Kisii prison currently stands, and we would move the prison which will be constructed again in Nyanturago, which will be modern prison, and it will come with other facilities like schools and other communal clinics, so that the prison, both the prisoners and the prison staff, they will have facilities that actually are fit for them.